Guys, we're gonna learn a mystery word with our surprise eggs and our toy tool sets. We've got some really cool dump trucks. We've got some bulldozers and our mystery eggs. And in here we get to spell one of our really cool toy tools. So let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back to D&M Toy Club. We are going to learn a word today. So we have to pick one of these really cool toys and then spell our mystery tool. Let's see what we're going to do. We've got all of these really cool toys. Check this out. We've got our saw. We've got hammers. We've got all kinds of saws. And then, here is how this is going to work. Then we've got surprise toys inside each of these mystery eggs. So we don't know if this is going to be a toy or if it's going to be a letter because we have to spell one of our tools. Alright guys, so let's get started. Which one should we do? Which one? Should we do the jackhammer? The clamp? Or the, you know what we should do? The awesome hammer. Let's do the hammer. Let's spell hammer. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. Alright, so we'll move all of our other tools to the side. And we are going to set our hammer right here so we can see it now. We are going to start picking eggs at random. Uh-oh, this might be a letter. Let's see. Oh no, but it's a very cool Lego. Got a Lego figure. Alrighty, so let's pick another one. Oh, this sounds like a letter. I know it's going to be a letter. Oh, it's not a letter. But it is a Pokemon. Pokemon. Oh, he's pretty cool. He's a little tiny Pokemon. Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh, I think that was a letter. He popped right out. Oh, it is a letter. It's the letter M. Guys, we have one of our letters for our word hammer. It's the letter M. All right, so let's take that. We're going to leave it right there. Let's go and grab another one. Surprise egg, guys, or do you think it's a letter? Remember, we're spelling the word hammer. Oh, that's not. But it is a pretty cool toy. Let's take a look at our next one. Alright, I don't know. Is this going to be a letter? Or is this going to be a toy? It's a pretty cool little... Oh, wow, it's a horse. That's like the smallest horse I've ever seen. Alright, let's take a look. We have to get it. Oh, this is going to be a letter. I know it is a letter. Which letter is it? It's the letter A. Letter A. Okay, so we have M, A for our hammer. Let's take a look at our next one. Oh, I think this is a toy. It doesn't sound like a letter. It is. Oh, it's a Shopkin. Pretty cool Shopkin. Alright, we're moving on. We gotta get some more letters. I know this is going to be a letter. You think this is a letter? Yep, I think it is. It's the letter M. So we have another letter for our word. It's the letter M. So A, M, and M. Remember, it's hammer. Hammer. So let's take a look. Let's grab the pig. Let's see if the pig has any letters or toys. I think it's a letter. No, it's a Pokemon. It's another Pokemon toy. Alrighty. Let's take a look. Oh, I think this might be a letter. You know what? Let's try one of these. I think this is a letter, guys. We got it. It's a Shopkin. Oh, that's kind of a cute little Shopkin. It's like a shoe. Yeah, it is a shoe. Cute little Shopkin. Alright, let's go to the next egg. Oh, I know this is going to be a letter. We're spelling the hammer. Oh, but this is a really cool, this is a miniature construction truck. Small one. Let's go for a big egg. The size of this, look at the size of this. Huge. Alright, here we go. Oh, this has got to be another letter. Good, we're going to spell... Nope, not a letter yet. Oh, it's a little crab. Alright, let's go on to our next one. I bet you guys this is going to be... It is a letter! Cool, cool, it's a letter. It's the letter H. So we're going to spell hammer, and hammer starts with the letter H. So H-A-M-M. We got only 2 more letters to go, guys. Let's see what we got. No, it's a surprise toy. Cool. Let's get we're gonna grab another one. Let's get the blue guy here. Oh, it's Peppa Pig's friends. One of Peppa Pig's friends. I forgot her name. I think it's Alright, here we go. It's a... Oh, it's not a letter. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Oh, I know this is another letter. We're going to spell it. It's not a letter. What is this? It's a duck. Oh, duck. Quackers. Oh, quackers. Alright, the cow's got it. The cow's going to have it. We need H-A-M-M-E-E-R. Oh, it's a minion. Cool. They're like little candies, these guys. I'm going to put him right there. He's a cutie. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Oh, this is it. Alright, H-A-M-M. We need 2 more letters. Let me see. Oh, no, this isn't a letter. Not yet. But it's another Shopkin. Surprise toy. Alright, let's take a look, guys. We're getting there. We only have a few left. Let's take a look. Nope, it's another Pokemon. It's a Pokemon. Okay, guys. Let's grab the purple one. It's a letter. I know it is a letter. It is the letter E. Guys, we are getting there. E. Hammer. H-A-M-M-E. Let's see. We have 1 more letter. I know we do. I know where he's definitely got to be here. Oh, we got the farmer. We're gonna get the farmer. Oh no, it's a Paw Patrol candies. What? It is. Those look good. I think I'm gonna snack on those. Oh, we'll do it later. Okay. All right, we only have 3 left. We gotta spell our word. Oh, it's a Shopkin. It's a Shopkin. Cute. Cute. All right, here we go. Almost done, guys. Let's see. Is this the letter that we need? No, it's another Pokemon. I think he's called Mewtwo. Yeah, Pokemon. All right. This is it. Here we go, guys. This has got to be it. H-A-M-M-E. Hammer, guys. How do we spell hammer? H-A-M-M-E. R. You got the letter. Yes, we got it. It's R. Hammer. That's right. H-A-M-M-E-R. Hammer. Cool, guys. If you liked the video, guys, remember, give us a big thumbs up. And down here in the corner, right around here, if you guys aren't subscribed, you got to be a clubster, a D&M clubster. You got to subscribe so you can see our new videos every single day. Thanks, guys. We'll see you again. Wave bye, Minion.